Riding backseats on night highways, dark spaces, white lights through the window. I'm moving too fast for my life, while the moon remains constant in the sky. The night is holding its breath. Inside, in silence, I'm dead. But if I make it until tomorrow, I know that my fear will be gone. And so I'm waiting for the morning to come. If I say I'll forget you, I'm lying. Looking for you, I'm still waiting. Whatever I do with my life, the moon remains constant in the sky. Just today, I knew what was right, but on this silent day, I can hear my voice inside. It says come into my life. It says come, come, come into my life. Come, come, stay with me. Nobody loves me, nobody loves me enough to save me. Oh no. Come, come, come into my life. Come, come, stay with me. Nobody loves me, nobody loves me enough to save me. Oh no. Silence tonight. Won't I ever arrive where I'm going? I'm saying your name inside, while the moon is following my ride. Only now I can let this night go by. The black earth